What is up, YouTube, and welcome to episode 81 of the Cats Daily. Let's get into it. We've got an exciting day today. We're going to do some hardware manufacturing, assembly, preparation. We're going to drill some holes. I know, it's exciting as anything. Drilling holes. We need to work on the tensile testing machine. I keep putting it off because I don't want to mess it up. I only have limited materials to do it with, and I've already messed up one plate, if I'm being honest, and I don't want to do it again. So I got my drill press out so that I can drill the holes more precisely, because the drill that I was using by hand, it was kind of going a bit wonky. So it's not good. So yeah, we're going to mark up some holes in these plates and make some holes. Let's do it.
Stand up, stand up. Come on, get loose with the heat. Right now. Pick your body till you black out. So get the fuck up. So cover and duck, you're out of luck, we don't give up. Yeah, we're going up, next floor is us, you're riding with us. We want you to get on your feet. Stand up. Come on, get loose with the heat. Right now. Pick your body till we black out. So get the fuck up.
And there you go, some holes drilled. Not too technical. So I still got to work out how I want to attach this bottom plate. So the way it's going to work is, this is going to be the moving carriage that moves from the motors. That's got this vise, that's going to hold the top part of the test article. The bottom vise holds the bottom part of the test article, and that is floating on the tensile gauge. And they are connected through these two plates. So this one is connected to this base. So I haven't worked out how I want to do the base yet, whether I'm going to just have it standing free like this on its own feet, or if I'm going to make a base for it, which would be more sturdy. But then it's harder for me to pack it away when I'm not using it. I'm planning on making this compact so I can put it away, because I have limited space here in the workshop. So yeah, I'm going to think about how I'm going to do that, and I'm going to see if I can find the right size bolt so that I can drill and set the holes for the tensile gauge. So yeah, we'll leave it there for today's episode. Super short, just drilling some holes, putting something together. I hope you liked it. Working extra hard on the video qualities. It's practice for my other channel, so that when I get to a point where I feel I'm good enough to make a video for the other channel, then there'll be a video for the other channel. So yeah, make sure you go check out the other channel, subscribe, so that I know that you're interested in it and that you enjoy what I do. So yeah, make sure you hit the like button, make sure you subscribe if you're not. As always, I've been Chaos, and until next time, expect the unexpected, and I will see you guys later.
And a special thank you to all my patrons that help support the channel. If you would also like to support the channel, there's a link in the description.